Namaskar and good evening, friends. Today we will take a look at Alembic Pharma Limited, which has produced very good results for the first quarter of FY21. Alembic Pharma management consists of Chirayu Amin, who is the chairman and CEO. Pranav Amin is the managing director. Shaunak Amin is another managing director. Now, first let us take a look at the financial highlights for the first quarter. Net sales are 1,341 crores compared to the previous quarter, 1,207 crores compared to Q1 of last year, 949 crores. 41.35% growth was there year on year. Sales have grown by 41.35% year on year and 11.14% quarter on quarter. Both are reasonably good. Especially sales year on year is very good. Other things are nothing much except exceptional items. Exceptional items, current quarter there is no exceptional item, but previous quarter there was exceptional expense 10.86 crores, and Q1 of last year again 32.79 crores was there, an exceptional expense item. So profit before tax after these exceptional items comes to 359.5 crores in the current quarter, that is Q1 of latest year. 265.66 crores in the previous quarter and 155 crores in Q1 of last year. So the annual year-on-year increase is 131.86% in profit before tax, 35% increase in quarter-on-quarter. Now let us go to net profit. Net profit has gone up to 293 crores in the Q1 of this year, 204 crores in the previous quarter, 119 crores in Q1 of last year. So there is an impressive increase of 146% year on year in net profit and 44% growth in quarter on quarter. If you remember, net sales have grown by 41.35% year on year and 11% quarter on quarter. Whereas net profit has grown by 146% year on year and 44% quarter on quarter. Equity is stable at 37.7 crores. Basic EPS is 15.99 rupees. That has also grown by 144% year on year and 34% quarter on quarter. Now look at the market prices. 52-week low was 436. 52-week high was 1044. Now current market price 980 is closer to the 52-week high of 1044. Will it cross 1044? Quite likely. Results are good. Profit has gone up by 146% almost. So it is quite likely. Now if you look at the annual results also, let us take a look at. Annual results 4,605 crores in the year ending March 20. March 19, 3,934 crores, 3,130 crores in its previous year. Like that it goes on. The 5-year increase is hardly 45%. But annual for the latest year increase compared to the previous year is 17%. 17% sales increase is okay 1 year. But 45% I am not satisfied with. It can be 100%. Especially medicinal field, pharmaceutical field, you should grow like that. World requires so much of medicines. Okay. Net profit last year was 800 crores. Previous year was 592 crores. But 5 years ago, there was a profit of 720 crores. So compared to the 5 years before, the increase is hardly 11%, but the fifth year previous was an exceptional year. So the growth over the years is just normal, nothing great. Now, Pranav Amin, Managing Director, Alembic Pharma, says it was an excellent quarter for the company backed by growth in all the international markets. He says in all the international markets it has grown well. Despite exceptionally challenging circumstances, the operating teams ensured profitability and growth. There were exceptionally challenging circumstances, but we have grown well. Yes, we have seen it has grown well. Market cap. Now, let us look at the other aspects. Market cap as of now is 18,481 crores. Price earning for last year was 16.31. Price earning for last year was 16.31. Now it is 15.33. So there is adequate scope for growth of the price. Book value is 177, reasonably impressive. Dividend percentage was always good at 500%. Industry price earning is 32, whereas Alembic Pharma is at 16.31. So compared to industry price earning also, there is enough scope for price growth. EPS was for trailing 12 months is 60. Now also 15.99. The growth can be more. Let us say 15 means 50, again 62, 63, something like that. Trailing 12 months also 60. Price to book is 5.52. Dividend yield is 1.02%. Face value is 2 rupees. Compared to face value of 2 rupees, the EPS 15 plus is good, but there is scope for growth. Now, let us look at some historical prices. 1 year before, the price was 527. Now 960 or something like that, 82% growth. So that is good. In 1 year, 82% growth is good. But 2 years before also, the price was 542. Therefore, percentage gain is only 77% in 2 years. Now, 3 years before also, the price was 708, much higher, and therefore, in 3 years, the gain is just 35.66%. So, Alembic Pharma has to do a lot of work to become multi-bagger. Current quarter is quite good. Now, if you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters hold 72.97%, pledge is 0, FIAs hold 7%, DIAs hold 9%, financial institutions 0.12%, mutual funds 4.98%, other DIAs 1.8%, others 10.83%, total 100%. Overall, compared, the latest quarter results are exceptionally good. Prior to that, the results were reasonable but not very great. Operational highlights. International business. International formulations grew 70% to 771 crores during this quarter. US generics grew 73%. International formulations 70% growth. US generics grew 73%. Ex-US, other than US, international formulations grew 62%. Now, ANDAS approvals. 6 ANDAS were approved during the quarter. Cumulative ANDA approvals are 125. Of them, 14 ANDAs were tentatively approved. Now, filing, if you look at that, 8 ANDAs were filed during the quarter. Cumulative ANDA filing is 191. This is impressive. That indicates scope for future growth. ANDA filing indicates scope for future growth. For a diabetic management drug, it has got a tentative nod from US FDA. Now the charts indicate that the price has really grown from April, very steep like this. From April onwards. Prior to that, like this only. India formulations business actually. US we have seen, ex-US we have seen, that's all international. Local, if you see, in the, Indian formulation business has a degrown by 6%. So, summary of revenues, if you look at that, USA has grown by formulation 73%, ex-US 62%, India minus 6%, APIs have grown 54%. So, EBITDA has grown over the year 108%. Now it is headquartered in India. The debt equity ratios, if you look at that, it has come down from 0.35 to 0.3, so quite good. So debt is not much. Capex continues to be good, 1.42 billions. So it has got a well-established US front end. So it has got factories, manufacturing facilities in US also. So it is catering to US clients there. It is expanding its abilities to deliver a diverse portfolio in the US market. 72 products were launched through the US front end. 3 were launched in Q1. 7 products are on partner label. 5 products planned to be launched in Q2. Other than US are driven by partnership in many places like Europe, Canada, Australia, Brazil and South Africa. Focus now will be on new launches across the key markets, which means company is assuring us of growth. Plant has been successfully audited by key regulatory authorities across the globe. Now, if you look at the API, sales across geographies as a preferred supplier. Alembic Pharma is the preferred supplier. It is investing in plants to increase the additional capacities, to create capacities. And mostly all are FDA compliant plants. State-of-the-art R&D center is there, process development lab is there, good labs are there. 109 DMFs were filed on a cumulative basis. Now, where do you have factories in India? Vadodara, Hyderabad. And of course, USA for APIs, Vadodara and Hyderabad for formulations, Biocenter, Vadodara. Volumes are reasonably good, therefore your buying and selling have no problem. So it has got a lot of good strengths. Trailing 12 months EPS growth also is good. Good quarterly growth, especially latest quarter is very good. Using capital to generate profits. ROCE is improving. Return on capital employed is improving in the last 2 years. Return on equity also is improving. Return on assets also is improving. Annual profits have been improving, especially during the last 2 years. Book value is improving. Promoter pledge is 0. So these are all quite good. So thank you for listening. So what do you get from this? Alembic has performed very well. It also promises to do well in future. So a lot of new capacities are being created. A lot of new ANDAs etc. are proposed to be filed, and a lot of new products are proposed to be introduced. So Alembic Pharma says it will do very well in future. Thank you for listening.